I just found out why my dog refuses to look at the living room window after midnight, and now I can't stop shaking. I live alone in a ground floor apartment. For the last week, every night at exactly 3:14 a.m., my golden retriever Cooper would sit at the foot of my bed and growl at the hallway. Not a playful growl, but that deep chest vibrating sound that means danger. Last night I finally got fed up. I grabbed my phone, turned on the flashlight, and walked into the living room. The curtains were open just a crack. I didn't see anything at first, just my own reflection. But then, I noticed something weird on the glass. Small oily smudges. I leaned in closer. They weren't handprints. They were nose prints and forehead marks. Someone had been pressing their entire face against the glass to see inside. But here's the thing. I live on a hill. To reach that window from the outside, you'd have to be at least 10 feet tall. I checked my doorbell cam this morning. The footage was deleted for that exact minute. If you're reading this and your dog starts growling at nothing, don't look.